Lion Club International District 322D के District Governor Lion PMJF Lalit Kumar Kwathari na District Branch asigi pangthokliba thabak thorom singing sinbagi khongchet ke saruk ama oina Lion Club of Oinam amadi Leo Club of Oinam da laktuna yengsin krei District Governor gi khongchet kamari lena Lion Club of Oinam amadi Leo Club of Oinam Lion Club International District 322D ne sinduna ngarang numidang Oinam Public Hall da pangthokpa District Governor Official Vigitation Function 2025 की थोरम द District Governor Lion PMJF Lalit Kumar Kwathari Lion PMJF T has Keso Singh IPDZ Lion Club of Oinam की President Lion Dr. Thingbai Jamswaran Kumar Leo Club of Oinam की President Leo Oinam Victoria Sanu Committee Chairman Lion Ireng Bam Jugesor John Chairperson के है सुरेंद्रना अथवा मिथुन सिंह ओने सरोकिया के थोरम द District Governor Lion PMJF Lalit Kumar Kwathari na Lion Club of Oinam gi naung na yarok laba member singbu induction tawbaga lunena Lion gi pin sing theatuna sakhangba utkhi lunena District Governor sida Lion Club of Oinam gi President Lion Dr. Thingbai Jamswaran Kumar na club asigi resolution of appreciation su khusin na ke Lion PMJF Lalit Kumar Kwathari na phungdokhibada mioi ba khunagi yaifana ba hotnariba Lion Club sing asigi thawai hapliba Lion sing na mioi ba gi yaifana ba thabak sing ngamliba makhai pangthokadabani aduga club sing gi mapanggal kanna ba anoba Lion sing chigadabani amade Leo Club sing sengbakadabani Lion Club of Oinam na Leo Club of Oinam hangdutuna Leo amade Lion sing segat pagi thabak khumang sauk sinna tawba ngamle haba khangle masi thagat ningai ni lona mioi bagi mateng pangba thabak kaya paikhalakani thajai haike.
This year we are going to support two global service projects in our district, vision and environment, and we have given a plan to organize these activities in every month in different ways. These are in addition to our one district one activity. This will help us increase our service and impact we are making in our communities, and even your membership by inviting potential members to serve with International Foundation is another way we can amplify our service and our impact.